Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. What vehicle is this to start it off?
2003 Honda Civic.
Honda Civic. All right, nice. So your name and what all's in here real quick, man?
Right now I got 4 C712s on a XS8K.
Okay.
160 amp hour lithium. I'm running the 800 by 4 on the doors.
Okay.
Got 3 8s and 2 Super 3s in each door.
Did you build this system?
No, King K. King K. He built the box, loaded subs, did all the fabric and all. He's the one that built the doors. I've had doors a little while. He built the doors.
Nice job. Looks good. Do you know your cubic space, tuning, or anything like that?
Sure on that stuff.
Okay. Any SPL tests yet?
Nope.
Okay.
No, we built a just strictly demo car.
Yeah, okay.
I used to do SPO and SPL, all that stuff, but I gave it up.
Yeah, man.
Strictly demo.
Yeah. What's your bandwidth like?
I'm not sure. I don't really I don't do the decap. I just play straight off of regular music. You know what I mean?
Have you had any windshield issues yet?
Yeah, I've already blown it once. I had to replace it. We did a sunroof delete, cut a roof off of another car.
Really?
Paul welded it up, bonded it and all, put all the dynamite, and now it's already ripping the dynamite.
Wow, so you actually did fab work up here, like
Yeah.
extreme. I've never seen that before.
Yeah,
Where you actually, okay, it's pretty cool.
It's leaking water still.
Yeah.
It is what it is. Okay. It's split. There's 3 pieces of roof. It's split every one. So when I got the new windshield, we put a whole tube of glue in there and braced it, and it still leaks.
It still leaks. Yeah. Got it. Nice.
Yeah, it's aggravating, but what can we do about it?
That's right. You hit its base.
Like on the way up here, it rained a little bit, and then it rained all night. So when I first cut it on this morning, this whole piece was covered.
Really?
It was full of water. So I mean, it just kept pouring out.
Oh, your door broke right there. Okay.
Yeah,
Is the back open?
trying to put it back together.
Can I see the back?
Yeah.
Nice. And what did you have this impedance to on the amp? What was it wired down to?
Half ohm.
Half ohm, okay. What type of lithium cells?
I want to say they're yin long.
Okay. Your voltage was pretty good.
Oh yeah.
You did a good job building it into the vehicle.
Yeah, he knocked himself out with it. That's for sure.
Yeah. How many cubes did you get? Do you know that? You know?
Not sure. Not too sure on that.
It's all good. Is it louder window down, up, door up?
Window up,
Okay.
and then it gets a little windy if I put this one up and roll that one down.
Okay, well, can we try both?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Nice. Looking forward to it. see the water dripping out of the glass. Man, sir, thank you very much for showing me.
Hey, buddy, I
It's got
appreciate
good
it.
bandwidth, and you got to show me how it feels window up and with the window down. I like it, man. It's pretty musical still.
Yeah.
I like it.
So,
Did a good job.
yeah,
Nice
I
to meet you.
appreciate it, buddy.